Welcome to Mueller Electric Closeup Clips, where you'll get a demonstration and how to use our products. This video will showcase how to install a wire to a field retrofittable banana solderless with an internal set screw. Installing an 18-gauge wire on a field retrofittable banana plug. Confirm the type of banana plug. There is not a set screw. Disassemble the banana plug. The top portion unscrews. Now we've got the plastic housing. There's a set screw at the end of it. The set screw unscrews from the bottom of the banana. Assemble back together. The wire is going to pass through the plastic housing and through the set screw. It's going to be installed into the bottom of the banana. The first step is to assemble the plastic housing over the already stripped 18-gauge wire. Please note the length of the stripped wire is slightly longer than the set screw. If you make it too long, it may be more difficult to assemble back together. Slide the plastic housing over the wire. The next step will be to take the set screw past the wire through the center of the set screw. And in this particular case, if you give it a little twist down, it helps it go through the center a little better. And this is okay if part of it goes outside of it, because it's all going to be encapsulated inside the plastic. Fold parts of the extra wire back against the set screw. Install the banana over the top by twisting it into place. If you do not have this in a good position, the banana will fall off. The next step is to install the plastic housing onto the banana. See that it's firmly secure. The field retrofittable banana is now installed onto an 18-gauge wire. In choosing Mueller Electric's electronic and electrical component supplies, you'll receive a reliable, high-quality, feature-packed solution that's competitively priced. Discover more solutions from Mueller Electric by scanning the QR code or visiting our website at muellerelectric.com. Thank you for watching.